downloaded your pattern, you're ready to print them. Make sure you follow the instructions for home printing. And I really do recommend printing just the first page so that you can measure your test squares. I like to use these small scales. I keep them around the machine. But measure those test squares, make sure you're printing without any scaling. And then go ahead and print out all the pages so you can start cutting and putting the parts together. So we've printed out our patterns, and it's time to start assembling them. So to make this a little easier, what I tend to use is on your pattern symbols and layout within the instruction manual, there's two views at the bottom that show the pattern layouts. You don't necessarily have to assemble every piece into a giant square. You really just need to find the pieces of paper that go with each pattern piece and assemble those. It should make your life a little easier. As far as common tools, a portable paper cutter really makes the job a lot easier. I also use a rotary tool, so you're not having to use scissors for every single pattern piece. And then obviously some Scotch tape, and lastly is a separate ruler just to do the smaller cuts. So I have all my pattern pieces taped together, and now it's time to start cutting them out. It's tedious, but it only took 15 to 20 minutes or so. So just to clarify, when you go to cut these pieces out, you always cut out on the perimeter-most line. So this would be a piece, and then obviously this is a separate piece. Don't ever cut inside these areas on the paper, right? Just follow the perimeter, the bold perimeter line around each piece. Again, once you have all your pattern pieces cut out, you're ready to move on to cutting out the fabric.